Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Arc Raiders and you keep getting this error, launch error with this error, create file failed with 32, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Arc Raiders easily. So first off, you're going to close your game and then you're going to open up your Explorer, you're going to go to your C drive, you're going to go into program files 86 and then you'll have this folder called easyntg. Just open it up and here you'll have this file called easyntg.sys. So you're just going to go ahead and delete this file. If you can't delete it for some reason, then just restart your computer and then come back here without opening Arc Raiders and just delete this file on here. And once you're done with deleting this file, now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your desktop and then you're going to go into AMD software. I'll show you how to do it on an NVIDIA card after this. So you're going to go into performance here and then you're going to go into tuning, and here you're going to make sure that tuning is set to default. So just set automatic tuning to default. And now for the NVIDIA card, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your desktop and then go into NVIDIA control panel. After that, go into help and then click debug mode on here. So just enable debug mode on an NVIDIA card. And once you're done with that, now you can go ahead and play Arc Raiders and you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that create file failed with 32 error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.